Hello everyone!
Ciao dear Sicily Lovers!
So we are in a special location today. One of the best restaurants, sea restaurants we have in Sicily, in the area of Trabia, in the province of Palermo. It's not easy to find a very good restaurant by the sea in Sicily, ironically. It's a paradox. And we are with special people. American people who decided to move to Sicily, and other friends, American friends who are experts, Sicilian experts. Let's switch.
Oh, look also the plane. Full of food. Hi.
Ciao Nancy!
Ciao.
Ciao Jerry! Ciao Maria! Once again Maria!
Ciao.
Dana and Gian! So Gian and Dana are the Sicilian experts. Maria is an icon in Sicily. Everybody knows Maria. Jerry and Nancy, they decided to... Yeah, so tell your story. You left the States and you live now in Sicily. You live in Altavilla.
Beautiful Sicily, in Altavilla, beautiful high town.
A village in the province of Palermo.
In Palermo.
And Jerry, beautiful Jerry.
I
When did you leave Florida?
in 2022.
And you are living in the area of
live in
Trabia too.
Trabia.
Yes.
See? I live in the mountains, overlooking the sea and the mountains. I have a Sicilian husband now.
Yeah.
I have Sicilian everything now. I love my life here. I wanted to change. After I retired, I said I'm going to Sicily, where my grandparents are born. My family.
You are the best. I still remember the first day we met you. We met you
Palermo.
virtually first during our cooking classes, and then I remember when
I was one of your first followers, I think like 13 years ago.
Yes,
Wow.
yes. The first time we met in Palermo, you
Well,
drove.
first we met online when you were in COVID.
Yeah.
You and Rosella were entertaining us.
Yeah.
You were going around Sicily, trying to keep our, what would you call it, morale. Our morale.
Yeah.
And you did a good job. Everybody was happy.
Excellent.
We were happy. You kept us happy.
Thank you so much.
Oh, well
They gave us they gave us hope.
That's hope.
After COVID.
So Don and John, you're the experts.
we love
Palermo.
Sicily.
You love Sicily.
Palermo expert.
Is this your fifth time in Sicily?
See?
Right. You are staying in Palermo
See, and we come here every year now.
for a couple of months.
5-8 weeks. And we plan on coming back again in May
Yes.
of 2027.
You'll be joining our special Sicily Lovers Tour version 2 in June 2027, but you will be
We
here
have to come early because
a few weeks in advance.
we have our Sicily family now. That's right. We love Janka and Rosella. They are our family.
Thank
and
you.
now we have beautiful Nemo,
Yeah.
our little nephew, our nephew.
And this is a very special opportunity to enjoy excellent food in a special restaurant. Okay, Mimmo, are you ready to say bye-bye? Thank you for cooperating. Thank you for cooperating, Mimmo. So all together, let me switch. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao.